Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Milady Memecoin. You guys know we're doing our daily updates on Milady. You guys have been showing tremendous amount of support. You guys like these kind of updates, so I will continue updating you guys on a daily basis for Milady. So if we're looking at the price right now, guys, still about 7 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 41,185, down about 6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, Bitcoin comparative, and Ethereum comparative. But looking at this market cap, the market cap compared to yesterday and also like the past few days, we're starting to see sideways momentum really occurring for ladies, and that is a good thing to see. You guys can see we're currently finding ourselves at $36.5 million in the valuation for the market for Milady Memecoin, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $7.2 million. So that's what we want to focus on. You guys can see this for yourself. The buying pressure has decreased quite significantly right now, and that is one thing that we do want to point out at compared to the yesterday's update. The overall buying pressure has decreased quite significantly, and it's not bad all the time. Decreasing volume does not mean a bad thing all the time. It could indicate a breakout is near as well. If you are in the cryptocurrency markets or even in the stock market, you're understanding the technical analysis aspect of things, and you might know that decreasing volume can be a good thing as well. But now, of course, we're going to focus towards the overall analysis, see what is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So as you guys can see or hear from my voice, you can probably tell that I'm not feeling too well today, but just wanted to still make this update for you guys because the support I get, it's too motivating, and that's exactly what we want to be seeing. So I'm delivering this for you guys. Who knows if I'm going to be able to do it tomorrow. If I don't feel too well, I might not make it tomorrow for an update on all the cryptocurrencies, but we'll take it day by day. But if we're looking at Milady's overall Twitter, you guys can see approaching that 65,000 followers, but that's not what we want to focus today on. I wanted to share this with you guys, and this really shows that the interest is still there, despite the fact that we're not seeing those explosive type of moves in the meme coins that especially launched last month, but we're starting to still see the fact that the interest level is still there. You guys can see CoinVote posted this just 2 days ago, and you can see it says top meme coins by the highest market cap. So of course it's Pepe, Baby Doge. So basically what this means is, of course, there's other meme coins that are way higher than Baby Doge as well, but what the reason as to why this is even a tweet is because of this highest market cap on coin market cap revised on May 26. So these are the highest market cap coins, but I think this really definitely needs to be updated because of course Shiba Inu is not on the list, and Shiba Inu is way higher. But basically I think what they wanted to see is these are the projects that are being searched the most. You can tell by some of the names, Pepe, of course, Baby Doge, Elon Mars, Floki, Kishu, Milady. So you guys can see that I think they meant to say the amount of searches, the amount of interest that's coming in these projects, and of course we're finding ourselves at part of this entire list. But now let's shift our focus towards the analysis. But it's not a Crypto ZX update if we're not going to be looking at the holder count, and you guys can see the holder count is remaining above that $15,500 $15,500 holders mark, and this continues to show people are not leaving. They believe Milady is here to stay. They believe it's having a correction, and of course most of these people that are holding are the ones that look in the long haul, and they have patience. And as I've said to you guys before, you got to have patience. And what I've seen in the past is when it comes to meme coins, I'm gonna share this with you guys in my tomorrow's update, but I read this entire very interesting what was it? It was an interesting deep dive into someone's portfolio. It was like a whale. He started off with $5,000, turned it into $20 million, and really showed the overall strategy that person had. And the one thing he had was patience. Despite the coins that he was holding, he or she, despite whatever they were holding, and if the price were going down, they still held because they of course invested what they can afford to lose. It doesn't really bother them, and then they just held, and some of those coins really ended up popping out, and this guy literally turned his $5,000 portfolio to $20 million. I'm going to search that one up for you guys and bring it out in my next update. I'll try my best. But of course, with that said, now we're going to be looking at the overall analysis because that's what everyone is here for. So looking at this, right away, the volume has decreased significantly, and market cap is holding really strong around this 36.4 million, and that is huge. I like seeing what I'm seeing here. Not much volatility within its price over the past few days, and that is a good thing. Now, if we're going to zoom into the charts, let's look at it from a bigger picture. So you guys can see, when was the last time we saw ladies consolidate like this? Of course, there was this time, May 19th to, it was from May 19th to May 21st. But we have been holding around this range since May 25th, and I could even include this part because of course we saw this dip because of Bitcoin was also going down at that time, and of course we lost this level of support, but mainly we're holding around the support line very strongly. And yes, it is a very important level of support, so you do want to see that. If we just saw ladies go down just completely and never really managed to retest its level of resistance, then yes, that could have been a big a weakness that would have been showing in the overall holders. So this is what you do want to be seeing. Now comes the question, are we about to retest this level of support? I've told you guys this before. It's literally very possible right now. Reason being, look where we're being supported by. And if I zoom in to you guys, look at this. Zoom in for you guys. But you guys can see this for yourself. We've had a few wicks that are happening, but overall this support has been holding, which is a good sign. Of course, you do want to see this happen, but it comes down to the same exact thing. We are having a really hard time seeing ladies break above $40 million market cap. I personally believe, as I've said this in my previous update, if ladies is able to break past the $40 million market cap, I could see some gains being made and like some sort of run happening. But we're having rejections. We've had a few rejections. You can see this for yourself. So that is the current analysis on Pepe, like what's happening. Of course, not Pepe, Miladies. And of course, I wanted to tell you guys that Pepe is also holding above that $600 million market cap, which is a good thing. Could we see a potential move? All depends on Bitcoin. But looking at Bitcoin, still in the 78.6, but forming a green candle over the weekend. But remember, weekends do tend to have a lot of manipulation across the board because CME futures are close, so we do need to keep that factor in mind. But I like what I'm seeing. I like this consolidation phase, and if we crack past 40 million, guys, I do expect some sort of big move for Miladies. But let me know down below what you guys think. Are you guys still holding your Milady, where you could see the price of Milady going? Let me know in the comment section. I love you all. See you tomorrow. Hopefully. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.